Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to add Telegram bot to Telegram channel. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Telegram app. Then open up some channel where you are an admin or an owner, and right here, in order to add Telegram bot to that channel, all you have to do is right here at the very top hit add channel's name, then tap add subscribers, and right here at the very top you can easily find add subscribers feature. You can tap on that, and now you must enter bot's username right here at the search box to be able to add Telegram bot to your channel. I know good bot, it's a Gmail bot, so I'll just type in Gmail bot. That's username of the bot. Here it is. I can check mark it, and then I can hit on done to add that bot to that channel. Now it says that bots can only be added to channels as admins, so now I can hit on make admin to make that bot admin on my channel, and on that step I can set permissions for that bot. That could be change channel info, post messages, edit messages, and a bunch of other features. And by default, add new admins feature is toggled off, and I don't recommend you to toggle this feature on. So after that you can hit on done, and as you can see, I have just added the bot to my Telegram channel. If you don't know the exact username of Telegram bot, you can hop out Telegram for now and open up web browser. Then at google.com you can just type in bots for Telegram or Telegram bots, and it shows you different websites where you can find different Telegram bots. So let me open up that website. Now I can scroll down and read about that bots. For example, here I got Zoom bot. Now I can scroll down, and now right here I got the link to that bot, and all the links on Telegram start with t.me/ and the last part is bot's username. So that's actually Zoom bot. Now I can go back to Telegram channel, go into subscribers, hit on add subscribers, and now I can, in that simple way, just enter that bot's username, then check mark it, and then hit on done to add that bot to that channel. After that I can hit on make admin, hit on done, and I have just added another bot to my channel. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist where you can find a lot of useful videos. Just check the links in description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.